Hey, what up, people? How y'all doing? It's J. Cool on Talk Live. Yeah, I got my truck on my sweater. So if y'all want one, hit a brother up. So we can work something out. Get some merch for y'all, alright? Where I'm at right now, I'm at CNC. I'm at CNC Reefer Department, right? It's next door from CNC Maintenance. Alright, so CNC Maintenance is 88 Marsh Street, North New Jersey. 88 Marsh Street, North New Jersey. So basically, where I'm at right now, let me see if let's see here, make sure I ain't got it. See, basically what it is, when you get routed, you're gonna need one of these to get routed, right? So you're gonna go to CNC Maintenance to get your routing paper. So when you're gonna have to come over here to CNC. So right now I gotta pick up an MSC reefer. So I gotta get an MSC chassis. All right, so if you're picking up an MSC reefer, you must get an MSC chassis, all right, from CNC Reefer Department. It's right next door to CNC Maintenance, all right? So you'll come over here, you'll get a reefer, you gotta back up to the chassis and go to the routing box to get routed. So don't forget, when you come in here, sometimes you come with your own chassis or you gotta go to CNC Maintenance to get a chassis. Other than that, if you get an MSC box, you got to get an MSC chassis to match the box, all right? So we gonna hook up with this unit. So when you hook up, make sure your lights work and make sure you turn the box on before you go get your reefer, because they need that thing to be running. So when they hook everything up and plug it up, you be already set to go. So we already in here, might have to get hooked up now. So I will take the phone with me, but you got a little guy over here and I don't want to be all get upset that I recorded, but I ain't supposed to record it in here, but I break it to y'all so y'all can see what it is, so y'all ain't gotta get stuck over here and see. Alright, so you go ahead, jump out. Yep, the chassis must match the steamship line when you get a box out of CNC Reefer Department. Alright, everybody. So now, when you get the chassis, make sure you check the hours, the battery life, the hours on the chassis, the hours on the reefer unit. No, make sure you check the hours on the genset, check the battery life, and check the fuel. Make sure you got a full tank of fuel in it. All right, so now what we're about to do now, we're gonna pull up to this little window, walk around back, and we're gonna get routed. All right, just gotta make sure I write down the chassis and the genset on the paperwork. So now we got the chassis, so we're about to do now to swing around and pull up. That's not snow right there, that's salt. That's all salt. So we're gonna pull up back. We're gonna pull right in front of this little box, this little trailer. We're gonna stop at the stop sign right here. Then we're gonna walk inside to get routed, all right? So it says pull up only right here. Then we're gonna walk through the lane between this little building, one of his little shack. And we're gonna walk in and go get routed, and I'll be right back. That crane right there is waiting for me. Yellow. So pretty much now, we gotta pull up where the crane at. We gonna pull up where he at. We gonna stop, give him this paperwork, and he gonna go ahead and get my box. They gonna mount it. They're gonna wire it, and that's it. just have to wait somebody to come out, grab your paperwork, and they're gonna go ahead and get the reefer unit for you. And they're gonna hook it up, plug it up, the whole nine. Yeah, so once you get a guy that paperwork with the green hoodie on, he gonna give it to the guy inside. He gonna go get the guy to get in the crane. He gonna go retrieve the box. You gonna pull it forward. They're gonna mount it on for you. They're gonna climb in the back. I might have to drop the chassis, pull forward. Safety rules, safety measurements in here, but I might have to drop it forward, or they gonna just drop it, climb in the back, mount it for me, tell me not to move, whatever. So we'll see what happens. All right, we gonna pull up. Yeah, I believe that too, bro. Alright, we gonna pull up. You gonna get the box. And you gonna drop the box on the chassis. I might have to drop the chassis. I'm gonna have to drop it. We getting the MSC box right now. All right, box get. I'm gonna drop it. Somebody come up. I gotta hook it up. Somebody come hook it up. See what you say. Yeah. I gotta hook it up. I don't know. Somebody come. I don't know. I don't know. See if this guy's ever hit. Do I gotta hook it up? Say real quick. I don't know if I gotta hook it up or somebody else come to hook it up. Oh, they got a guy right here and shit. Lock it down before you leave here. Lock it down. Do not leave here without locking these pins. Because if you leave out of here, you put this shit on the ground, that's your job. Make sure everything is zip tied down. All you gotta do now is pull them out the front, stop, walk across to the shack. All right. Set it back in. Yeah, this is CNC maintenance reefer yard here. I'm going out. I'm going out. I gotta stop at the stop sign real quick. See what's doing with this shit. I don't know why he stopped there, but I'm gonna stop over there. That's pretty much it. So once you get your paperwork, leave up out of here. tell you your tip time, your tank, and everything there. They show you everything you need to get up out of here. All right, that's what you need. Other than that, stop over here, I think, and exit out of here. Be sure about it, though. All right. I think do I go here? I don't think anybody in there. I don't know. See if I gotta stop over here. Let's see. Anybody in there? No, ain't nobody in there. Ain't nobody in there. Double check before I pull out of here and shit. Let me see if there's anybody in here, man. I don't know, man. Maybe ain't nobody in there. Alright, but that's pretty much it. That's the in and out when you come over here to CNC maintenance getting the reefer. Alright, so just pay attention, follow the rules, and that's pretty much about it. Alright. Alright, drive safe, take care of yourself. Peace. Catch y'all later.